everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. I am sharing another ornament from my 12 Days of Ornaments series. Today we're talking about an advent calendar. Stay tuned. We have been doing this advent calendar for years, and it all started with these fun paper bags that I actually got at IKEA, but I'm sharing it with you because you can use any bags and it really is a fun way to decorate your tree. So I'm giving you a little peek of the bags that I have, and again, they already came printed with the Santa Claus when I bought them at IKEA, but I simply stenciled the numbers. So what I do is I put a combination of little tiny toys and descriptions, and we hang them on the tree. It really couldn't be easier. Once you've stenciled all your bags, I've gone ahead and I have punched a hole in the top. So I folded the bag over and then I punched a hole through, and I keep it sealed just so I don't tempt anyone to come and have a sneak peek. So you can see that that's how they all started. And then before I put them on the tree, I fill them with either just simple little toys, or I print out on the computer little prompts for the day, and it may be something like hot chocolate when you get off the school bus, or free story time, or movie night. And you can sort of check the calendar so you can place activities when you need them, but that saves me from having to put toys in every single bag. But once I have stuffed all the bags and they are ready to be packaged, I simply fold them all over, and then I'm gonna use a little ribbon just to tie them closed and stick them on the tree. I haven't done too much to the tree, just some ribbon. These bags are fairly big, so I just want to make sure that I have room for them. So I tied them with tassels and ribbon, and then I am simply going to stick them into the tree. You want to make sure that obviously you can see the numbers, but that's about it. If you find that you can't fit them into the tree, or your tree isn't big enough, you can always use regular old ornament hooks, and you can just hook them on the ribbon or through the hole. That'll definitely work. But this tree is pretty full, so I'm hoping that I can just kind of stick the bags in between the branches. One thing I think we're gonna do this year is that as we remove the bags, we're gonna replace them with 2 or 3 ornaments. And I love the idea of the tree sort of evolving as the month goes on. I think it'll be a fun way to keep this tree really decorated and vibrant as we remove our advent calendar and Christmas gets closer. I am finished. So I know technically these aren't ornaments, but I'm still using them to decorate the tree, and it is a really easy, really fun way to get ready for December. We cannot be more excited. Don't forget to follow along with the rest of my 12 Days of Ornaments series. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a great day, everyone.